G'day, it's Mark and welcome back to the channel. And I'm catching up with a mate today and he's got a very rare and desirable Falcon ute. So this is a really cool factory K-Code XB in yellow blaze, which is a terrific colour. Sort of yellow with a little bit of green in it, I think. So a 1975 XB GS 351 K-Code. And if you look at the styling of the car, I guess the Ford Ranchero is sort of an equivalent vehicle. And I've actually got a Ranchero, the one on the right there, the 76 model. And my friend's an author of some excellent books on GT history and Falcons in general. Now, the styling of this car, you can see around the doors. The doors were shared with the Falcon hardtop, with pillarless glass and no frame around the door, and a very nice coupe styling for this XA to XC series of utilities. And there's also a really interesting history on this car. It's one of the most heavily optioned XB utes that was ever made. And the history of this car is that it was a South Australian car from New, from Niche Ford, and it was bought. This dealership was adjacent to a caravan retailer, and the original owner kept it for about 5 years. And as I said, 351 K-Code, all original. That's the plates there for you to have a look at. And Niche Ford in Waikerie in South Australia. And this car used to be used to tow caravans. It would go to Adelaide or wherever the caravan retailer was, had a heavy-duty tow bar on the back with a variety of plugs to fit the different caravans, and they would go and pick up these caravans and deliver them directly to the customers. The first owner had it from 1975 to 1980, then they sold it onto their son-in-law, and he had it for around 25 to 30 years. After that, it went to his nephew, and then my friend bought the car. He sort of advertised, something else was advertised, it was in the background. He asked about it, he said, "Is that a V8 ute?" And they said, "Yes." He said, "Oh, 302. He said, No, it's the 351. And to cut a long story short, my friend bought it very, very quickly, snapped it up, and has had it ever since. He's done a few little things here and there to enhance the car, but it was original yellow blaze with the blackout trim there, the blackout on the hood, the NASA type bonnet scoops as well, or the intakes. Really terrific package, really, really nice car. I mean, and so rare, you just don't see these cars anymore, that's for sure. Day two, he did the colour keyed bumpers, like a GT sort of style, fitted the 351, also the Bathurst globes. But, you know, the rest of the car's largely original as it came from the factory. And being a GS pack, you've got the paint out treatments, the NASA bonnet intakes, as I mentioned before, the sports mirrors or colour keyed mirrors. As I said, my friend, the bumper bar was originally chrome, and he colour keyed that sort of for a GT look and added those decals, as I said. But as part of the package, all factory dash, the fully instrumentation for GS, the T-bar and the bucket seats with the console and the sports steering wheel, a terrific, terrific package. And just that absolutely beautiful coupe styling in the ute. So just something that is incredibly rare to see in this condition these days. He also fitted dual exhaust with the XB, sort of the GT style exhaust tips on it, which I think looks really, really good. And then the small decal there on the tailgate as well, the GT 351. There was no GT utes per se, but as I said, original factory. Now, if you want to know more about the XB, check out my episode in the Auto History series. If you want to learn more about the XB series in general on the channel. But I thought I'd just share this car with you. Love those red line tyres as well. And just a superb example and something you don't see on the road. Even back in the day, this was a very rare package. Very few of these would have been built. So Ford fans, feast your eyes on this beautiful XB 351 ute. I hope you enjoyed that episode on the XB 351 Falcon ute. What a fantastic vehicle that is. Please give the episode a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button as well so you don't miss out on future episodes. And we'll see you next time. Bye.